Hello people, Seku-Senpai here, and here's that time I got reincarnated as a slime, episode 2, part 2 of season 2, or episode 38, a meeting of humans and monsters. I guess we're going to see what this meeting is, what the plan is, because they're going to go to Clayman, the other thing with Millen to take care of, Veldora's here, that's that. So, yeah, here's this episode, I'm so looking forward to seeing what happens, let's do this. Yo, I bet this place is cold, on the top of a mountain, man. Looks like an observatory though. Oh, it's Pajama Dude. Ooh. A vampire. So there's vampires in this world too? Well, it makes sense. But, dang, I never really just thought about it. What? So, a holy vampire? Oh. Is homie actually about to die? What are y'all opinions on the opening, by the way? Because it's a definitely different feel from the other openings, and I guess that's also because this season is going to be more, you know, confronting these villains and stuff right now. So, okay, so this dude did escape. So, hey, we saw her in the opening from last season, but we didn't really see her character, right? And who's this dude? Oh, this is the right. Is that dude that I remember we talked to in season 1, right? He gave a bunch of manga to? It is him! This is him, right? Yeah. He always stuck in the back of my head. I was like, wait a second, I can't forget about this dude. That was like a while ago. Yes. Yeah, his name's Laplace, okay. Formerly Demon Lord. Okay, so she goes by Kagali now. Near Shitara Prime, okay. But it's still strong. Yeah. Cromwell, she was cursed by that dude. Okay, interesting. Yeah, but instead he met that vampire dude. Yeah, he actually said vampire dude himself. Red beam, yeah. Red beam scent rings a bell. Blood into magical particles. Interesting. Valentine. Really? All these demon lords popping up now. What the heck? Well, this season's mainly that, so it makes sense that we're learning more about them. But they're actually relevant now. Super relevant. Uh-huh. Yeah, what was he doing there? Dressed up as... Okay. Yeah, what's up with that? Brainwashed? Mind control? Someone's blackmailing him? He's in an alliance with someone? So many things there. Something ain't right, so... Huh. This holy church. Oh, he's right there. No one else is walking around. Yo, everyone over here being professional, like he just walks right in. Yo, everyone stood up fast. You saw them? Yes, that Veldora. that. Yeah, they know him as that. Yo, when they... Yo, this dude couldn't handle it, yo. This dude be like, dang, you just got these powerful people popping up left and right. Uh-huh. Yo, dang, they pressing him. Yo, chill, dang. Yep. Oh, so he let them know about this, because they didn't know about that before. Yeah, tell them the truth. I mean, they've been nice and allies to you this whole time. No reason to go against them, but I mean, it's a crazy story, but... Yeah, facts too. Yo, he's like, yo, we're aligning. Facts, yo. That's all that is, y'all. I mean, that's all this decision came down to. We're not going to be your enemy. Yeah. Yo, I'm like, oh. Yeah, that's true. So he has, okay, so he's taking that kind of responsibility for that. Okay. Yeah. 200,000 men. Ooh. Dang. There's no evidence. Well, actually, doesn't he have those prisoners? Oh, true. Yeah, he said, yo, I did what I had to do for my friends. He finally... Okay, finally. Yo. This is a lot to take in for him. Yeah, man, yo. But Fuse came in with like the, yo, I got my soldiers ready though, yo, that was nice. Yeah, explain this. Yeah, okay, nice. Yo, she was gonna kill him for real though. Like, he almost died. Now, I gotta read our comments on this episode because someone explained some things in there as regards to her abilities and stuff, so... Yeah. Sakaguchi, okay, so she's well known, okay. Yeah, this tree is like, yo, no talking, just kill. Oh! So it's been different information, okay. Huh. So she would have usually thought of working. So something's going on with this. She's what, under the Holy Church, right? Or something? Because that goes back to that vampire demon lord, like, because they said that he was also not acting like how he usually acts, so something's going on there. Oh, that's why he never knew about that. Okay. That makes sense. Yep. Yeah. Okay. I received an anonymous tip. Huh. That dude! That dude! Yep, him. This dude. Oh, okay. Did I say something like this last season? When they mentioned that anonymous tip? I was like, who? And then I thought it was that guy, but I forgot his name and face. What's this? What's that little light there? Oh, her. Okay. She was an opening for last season, but we didn't see her last season, right? Is doomed to fall. Oh boy. I think that's because a lot of fighting is about to go down. I'm kind of following. I'm following along. I just need to like make sure I lay those out. Correct me if I'm wrong with any of those or anything like that, because I am following the storyline. I need to like label out what each of these people's objectives are currently. Like I know Rimu's objective currently. 1, the Beast Kingdom thing. And then 2, what was the second one? Is it to figure out the stuff with the Holy Church now? I don't know. He has that alliance with those guys. Clayman's objective is, I don't know, what was it? Become the Lord of the Demon Lords or something. I forget what that was. They mentioned something like that. This other dude's objective, the Kazuko dude, the master dude, his objective, I guess, is trying to take down the Holy Church or something. He's like investigating them for some reason, playing both sides. I don't think his objective has been said what it is, has been like stated yet, but I guess we will see what it is, see what it will be as the story progresses. And anything else? I think that's it. I mean, we know Milim's at the Beast Kingdom, so Animal Kingdom. I keep saying Beast Kingdom, Animal Kingdom. So yeah, next we get to hear what Ramirez's warning is, saying that there's doomed to fall. So I guess that means that they're finally going to be making moves. These two episodes has really been prepping us up for what is to come, understanding what everyone's positions are in this upcoming battle, upcoming conflict. I don't know if it's going to be battle, maybe it's just simply a conflict so far. So yeah, anyways, that's all to say. Hope you all enjoyed. Yesterday I had the episode up for a 5-second battle. Something is interesting anime, survival anime, battle royale type thing. Yeah, that's all to say. So yeah, again, thank you for watching, tuning in. I'll see you all next week for another episode. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.